Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Legarena Siregar. I'm from TBI1. Now, I will explain your answer from my question. The first is Nikma Rorolan Fitri. The answer is cause so many grammars that I can't understand when I try to make a conversation with someone. It sounds like you're feeling overwhelmed by the rules of grammar when trying to have conversation. It's complex, it's complex, it's completely normal to feel this way, especially if you're learning a new language or trying to improve your communication skill. Next, Aki Maulana, its answer is one challenge I face is when native speakers talk too fast, making it hard to change individual words. It's a common challenge for language learners to understand native speaker. The first is practice active listening, slow down the audio, use subtitle, repeat and shadow, learn common phrases, examine in conversation, and practice regularly. The next is Fitri Fatimah Hani. The answer is I often struggle to understand spoken English because of unfamiliar action and unclear pronunciation. This makes it hard for me to follow conversation. Understanding different action and unclear pronunciation can indeed be challenged. Here are some strategies to help you improve your conversation in this session. The first is familiar yourself with action. The second is use context class. The next, ask for clarification. The next, practice listening to different speaker. The next, focus on keyword. Engage in conversation. Use visual aids and last, be patient with yourself. The next is Raditya Almarigi. The answer is sometimes I can't keep up with conversation when people talk over each other. Feeling nervous or shy about speaking a new language is completely normal, and many language learners experience this. Here, some tips to help you overcome the feeling and build your confidence. The first, embrace mistake. Practice in safe environment. Prepare common phrase. Focus on communication, not perfection. Use relaxation technique. Join language group. Set small goals. Celebrate progress. The next, Dinda Mutiara. His answer is I hear the word but can't connect the meaning. It can be quite challenging to follow conversation with multiple people are speaking at once. Here are some strategies to help you manage this situation. The first is focus on one speaker. The second is look for non-verbal cues. The third is practice active listening. The next, ask for clarification. Participate in group discussion. Limit distraction. Practice with media. And the last, stay calm. The next is Abdi Alif Azikri. Some words just sound too similar. It's common to hear words without fully grasping their meaning, especially in a new language. Here are some strategies to help you connect words with their meanings more effectively. The first is bold vocabulary. The second, use visual aids. The third, practice contextual learning. The next, engage with contents. The next, ask for the definition. Practice listening skill. Use language learning apps. And the last, be patient. Okay, the last is Bunga Lestari. When they mix up action, I'm lost. When they mix up action, I'm lost. Navigation conversation where multi, multiple action are present can be challenges, especially if you're not familiar with them. Here are some strategies to help you manage this question. The first is familiar yourself with different action. The second is focus on keyword and context. Ask for clarification. Practice active listening. Use visual cues. Participate in the first conversation. Limit distraction. And the last, be patient with yourself. Maybe this all from me. The last, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.